Hey Josh, I decided I'd take a video. I'm in the thing with the motor, and actually it's working awesome. I'm on Karen's pond. That's 2. I'm gonna crank it up to 3. Hope you can see the wake. That's 4. I mean, this thing is moving. That's 5. 5, I can ski on this thing, pretty much. Pretty unreal. Hope you can see it. I'm pointing the thing backwards. Anyhow, some kids over here catching fish, supposedly. This is totally against the law, but I do things that are against the law. But you know what? I'm a rebel. What can I say? Anyway, this is on 5, and I'm moving out pretty good. There's a pretty good wake. No, that's on 4. Excuse me. Okay, that's on 5. That's moving pretty well. Uh-oh. Man, 5 will kick you out of the boat on a turn. That's on 5 right now. And I am moving pretty good. Oh, look at this. That's 5. There's a freaking wake. Uh-oh. That's 4. That's 3. 3 still throws a pretty good wake. And it's rock solid too. Anyhow, enough of my jibber jabber. That's the story.